Hi everyone, it's Daniella and welcome back to my channel. Where have I been? Okay, I'm here to show you my hashtag no paper left behind end of the month, and we'll discuss if I made it or not. But before we talk about that, I have to tell you, so it's been 6 days since I made a video. I was coming in, I would have done one 6 days ago, and I had my laptop, which I need to make the movies because the camera plugs into it, and I was drinking coffee and somehow I dropped the entire cup of coffee on my laptop and it is dead. We're still trying to dry it out and all of this, but all of my pictures and all of my files, and it's very upsetting. But so I had to go through 1,000 different things to get one of my husband and kids' computers that would work with my webcam. It's not a webcam, my camera. And finally I did, and here I am. So I'm sorry if I haven't answered emails. I could on my phone. My phone doesn't let me get to all of my email. Everything is a mess. My life is on that laptop. I'm not much of a device person except for a random text, or answering the phone. So I'm really backed up and I'm really sorry, and that's all I can say. So let's hope I can start catching up with my videos. And now that I've explained I can say now, I can discuss this, and let's get to it. So what is hashtag no paper left behind? If you want to know, go to my playlists, and there's only one video in it. The playlist and the video are called What is hashtag no paper left behind? I know we have one new person playing. All the new links and everything will be up for September when I do that video, or maybe as soon as I get my computer. I ordered one and I have to wait for it to come, but for right now we're okay. So it's just a challenge that I made for myself, but other people have joined and it's become like a thing, and it's so super awesome. I was sick and tired of having far too many pads of paper that had like 3 pages left, and I wouldn't throw them away. I'd put them like in the back, and I was going through my stuff, and I call them skeleton pads because we've picked all the meat off the bone and left a skeleton. It's so stupid. And I was like, because the thing is, if I didn't use it, that means I didn't really like it, so now I have to figure out how to use paper that I don't like in a way that looks amazing. So I really had to think, and then it also makes you think differently about what you buy. It's just awesome, and all of the amazing people who join in with me, all their links are in the description box. Please visit everyone. Everyone is always doing such an amazing job, and if you can decide to join, please let me know. Let me know in these comments. Let me know however. And I would like to ask, if you are not joining this month, that's fine. This is only a challenge for you, for yourself. But just let me know so I can take your name off the list. I don't say that to sound mean or anything. It's just I want to keep the active participants there for people to visit. And if you are joining, please just let me know. I'm still in this month, whatever. So last month, let's get back to what the heck did I do, and I'll tell you. I got a tonic mystery bag, and it came with this Craft Perfect Blue Blossom double-sided 24 sheets of pattern paper. Nice quality, like nice thickness paper. And as you see, what? I used every piece. Hooray! Even in the madness I had going on. So I told you I had a bunch of pre-made cards. I have so many of them. I use cards all the time. But these were like from Crafters Companion Kits, and they were easel cards, and then there were gatefold cards. I showed you a tutorial on making the easel cards. Gatefold is just, you know, open on in the middle. I was going to show another one, I can't remember which one it was, but this paper, these cards like this, it used up all of the paper, and I literally have nothing left. The bigger cards are 6x6, and the smaller ones are 4x4, so I had to use all of my strips and pieces, and then I decorated the envelopes a little. So let's see what I did. So we have this super cute pink. Remember, all this paper is pink or blue. Now this one, for example, as you see, there's no paper here, and in here it's just a small piece because I was running out of paper. So we have a little easel here and a little envelope to go with. I made little flag-like things in them and used glitter paper because I had to try to save as much paper as I could to make it through the challenge. And remember, oh, and all of these sentiments are from the little bags of ephemera from Tuesday morning, which I may try to get to eventually. This one's a nice happy birthday easel, so pretty. And there's the piece of paper. I know I can't believe that these took up this much paper, but it really did. It's just bizarre to me. I'm missing something now. I'm looking around. Am I not? Where are my other cards? Where'd my pile of cards go? I misplaced it. Oh no, here it is. Whew! See what I mean? My head is all over the place. So, before we do these guys, let's finish with the easel cards. And here, this one is beautiful, I think. Hello. So pretty. And again, the envelopes. Pink with the glittery flourish and glitter paper, and I put diamonds and pearls and flourishes and bows and stuff on everything. The addition of glitter paper because I told you I was running out. And so we have all of those easel cards. And then here I was able to pull out 3 gatefold cards. This is one of the envelopes. So here's this one. And I put a bow. Oh yeah, as you can see here, the doors of the gatefold card, they're both different because I only had enough for those. I did the inside first instead of the out. I cut 6x6 paper and the cutoffs were put on envelopes, and then I did the inside here, just one layer, and then I got out here and I was like, oh no, I don't have another whole piece. So I was going to flip reverse put this in the back, but it wasn't. So anyway, it's still a nice card. I don't think, you know. And then this pretty guy here with the pink, almost more of a mauve. Open up, and by using the bigger tags, it just keeps it in the envelope. And the last one Here's the envelope, and here's the last card, and that's it. And I did it. The challenge is complete. Hooray for me, I'm so happy. And now I have some cards because I told you I was like, no cards left. So the last thing to say is that I'm going to be using this collection from My Mind's Eye for September. I know that I like to start my Halloween crafting in September because it's fun, and I am fairly certain, okay, I'm 100% certain that Miss Susan Tootsie Tucker is using Halloween. She's already been playing with Halloween. You know, I've been playing with Halloween, and you know, there's my little spooky house if you didn't see that. Remember, Diamond Press, I have a coupon that's good until September 15th for 10% off anything you buy from their website, which is, it'll be in the description, but it's mydiamondpress.com. My code is DHVP10. And remember, one of the biggest things for me is that they never charge shipping. What? I know. So jump on over if there's anything you were wanting to get. This coupon is only good at their website, not on HSN or anywhere else where their products are sold. Only on their website, and they have some awesome stuff. And you'll see the other half of my exciting news from Diamond Press. That was the first video of what they sent me to review, and I'll be showing you the second half of what they sent me to review, and then I'll pick a winner for the giveaway, but we will wait until that video comes up. But use the code if you need anything there. 10% off is awesome money, you know. I live for a coupon. So thank you all so much for watching. Thank you so much for joining and playing along and being so supportive, and for all the wonderful things. Your comments are so sweet, and I'm sorry I have not been around, not been available. Oh boy. So anyway, thank you all so much. You know that you're all awesome because you're here. And I will see you in the next video. Stay awesome, everyone. Bye.